AI video generation has largely been dominated by proprietary cloud platforms that function as black boxes. You feed them a prompt, and they hand back a video, entirely obscuring the models and mechanisms doing the actual work. For engineering teams and research labs, that lack of transparency is a liability. The industry is moving away from these closed, unmodifiable systems. Modular open-source orchestration engines provide a transparent alternative. Managed commercial platforms streamline the process for casual users, but they prevent the deep programmatic customization and localized inference testing required for complex enterprise workflows. Licensed under Apache 2.0, Pixelle-Video functions as a dedicated orchestration layer. Its architecture relies on a fast API application backend to manage task routing, paired with a Streamlit frontend for localized user interaction. The system is designed to ingest a predefined fixed script or a single conceptual text prompt. From that single input, it autonomously triggers a multi-stage pipeline, outputting a fully composed video, complete with visual assets, contextual scripts, synthesized voice narration, and background music. By disaggregating the production pipeline into discrete, interpretable stages, engineers regain granular control over their entire automated video generation architecture. This schematic maps the data flow of the Pixelle-Video architecture, starting on the left with prompt ingestion. The workflow initiates in the semantic layer. The engine queries a configured large language model, such as a local Llama instance or Alibaba's Qwen. The LLM acts as the creative director, dividing the narrative into distinct temporal scenes and generating specific prompts optimized for the visual models. Once the scene descriptions are formalized, the engine routes those text prompts to the visual synthesis backend. This stage supports dynamic routing. The payload can be directed to a local ComfyUI server, a cloud-based ComfyUI instance like RunningHub, or directly to proprietary media APIs. By relying on ComfyUI JSON configurations, the system abstracts the visual generation logic. Engineers can integrate new foundation models like Flux or WAN 2.1 simply by dropping a new JSON workflow map into the project directory, bypassing core code-based modifications. To maintain visual consistency across disparate scenes, operators can define strict prompt prefixes. The system programmatically injects this string ahead of every LLM output to force the visual model to adhere to a rigid artistic style. This separation ensures that narrative quality relies purely on the selected text model, while visual fidelity is offloaded to hot-swappable JSON workflows. Running parallel to the visual generation is the auditory synthesis layer, mapping the finalized script to a text-to-speech engine. Through pre-configured workflows like Index-TTS, the system facilitates zero-shot voice cloning. Operators upload a reference audio file, enabling the synthesized narration to adopt the specific timbre and prosody of the reference speaker. The final stage is the programmatic assembly of these generated assets into a cohesive video sequence. Pixelle-Video leverages Playwright, Microsoft's headless browser automation framework. Playwright spawns a Chromium instance, loads specific HTML layouts, dynamically populates the document object model with the generated images and text, and captures screenshots of the viewport at high frame rates. Those individual graphical frames are then passed to FFmpeg, which multiplexes the visual sequence with the synthesized audio track to produce the final MP4 output. Traditional automated editors utilize rigid binary engines that map coordinates exactly. Pixelle-Video instead relies on web standard technologies.
Utilizing a web browser as the compositing viewport allows developers to apply complex CSS keyframe animations, embed corporate SVGs, and utilize custom web typography. Before initiating the pipeline, engineering teams must define their deployment paradigm, balancing capital expenditure against operational expenditure. This comparative analysis table outlines the structural trade-offs of the available visual inference backends. For environments aiming for zero marginal cost per generation, a fully localized deployment is required. Because foundation models possess massive parameter counts, this local setup requires a dedicated NVIDIA GPU with a minimum of 12 to 24 gigabytes of VRAM to maintain stable processing. For teams operating on standard corporate workstations or seeking rapid scaling, the system supports a cloud hybrid deployment. In this setup, the orchestration layer runs locally on standard CPU hardware, while computationally intensive visual rendering is offloaded via secure APIs. This bypasses local hardware constraints while enabling concurrent workflows. The architecture presents a choice: accept high upfront capital costs for local control, or utilize cloud microservices for immediate scalability. Regardless of the chosen network topology, the host environment must be provisioned with specific foundational software. Pixelle-Video formally deprecates the standard Python pip installer in favor of UV, a package manager written entirely in Rust. The project explicitly recommends UV for its speed and deterministic dependency resolution, which is critical when managing complex machine learning environments. For enterprise continuous integration pipelines, the system supplies a Docker file to establish standardized containerization based on a minimal Python slim image. To circumvent latency issues, the container execution accepts build arguments that dynamically rewrite the Debian and PyPy indexes to utilize high-speed regional mirrors. During the Linux build sequence, engineers must ensure the font's nodo-cjk package is successfully installed. Without this font library, the Chromium headless browser will fail to render Chinese, Japanese, or Korean typography, resulting in corrupted, empty square artifacts, often called tofu blocks, in the final captured frames. Resolving these specific dependency constraints prevents the pipeline from failing during the final headless rendering phase. When fully provisioned, the Pixelle-Video dataflow takes a single text string, splits it into concurrent API queries for imagery and audio, and merges the resulting assets back together into a final MP4 file. The extensible power of this system lies in its file-based configuration mechanisms. Visual layout logic lives strictly in the HTML templates directory, while machine learning inference logic is confined to the JSON workflows directory. This plug-and-play modularity allows researchers to integrate completely novel model architectures by simply dropping a new JSON payload into a designated folder. In this ecosystem, extensibility comes from treating complex inference graphs as JSON payloads and standard web browsers as compositing viewports. By prioritizing composability over encapsulation, this engine alters the mechanics of automated short-form video generation. It provides technical agencies, media laboratories, and machine learning research teams with a localized testing ground for evaluating discrete generative models. Teams that deploy this architecture gain the ability to construct a proprietary, enterprise-grade AI studio that operates independently of opaque managed platforms. Scaling automated multimedia production requires leaving monolithic workflows behind and taking ownership of the routing layers. To survive the rapid evolution of generative AI, system architecture must prioritize radical composability.